Torqulft's Tailgator is a tailgate-mounted ladder that significantly enhances your truck bed's functionality. Depending on the model, it features up to 6 steps with a robust 170 kilogram capacity and incorporates solar-powered glow-in-the-dark inserts, shining for up to 10 hours after just 5 minutes in the sun. A 4-step option is available for around $705. The DZ storage drawer may resemble a typical toolbox at first, but once you slide it out, you'll be amazed at its extended reach, making it ideal for storing tools, gear, or anything else you might need. It holds up to 272 kilograms and features double-layer security with both the box and your tailgate locking, providing an extra challenge to would-be thieves. RAHM Flexi 500-300 portable toilet service unit fits snugly in your truck bed and is equipped with a 550-liter waste tank and a 300-liter freshwater reservoir. It pumps an impressive 2,500 liters per minute, services up to 25 toilets per day, and operates using a Honda engine, complete with convenient forklift pockets, ideal for remote job sites. The ARB Slimline 100 is a 100 amp-hour lithium iron phosphate battery that transforms your pickup into a mobile power source. It can power an oven for about 8 hours or charge power tool batteries for up to 62 hours. Additionally, it can be topped up via solar panels and weighs only 16 kilograms, perfect for camping enthusiasts or on-the-go professionals with a price tag of around $2,000. The Centurion Canopy stands out with its impressive strength, easily passing rigorous tests and captivating the public's attention. Ever considered attaching a sports car or a wakeboard to your truck? The Centurion Canopy can handle it all, thanks to its durable aluminum construction. It boasts a remarkable load capacity, able to support 600 kilograms of static load and 200 kilograms of dynamic load. Plus, it has a smart design with hidden security latches, facilitating easy loading and unloading from any angle. Keep your tools, tents, and other valuables safe. Just remember, this level of durability comes with a price tag starting at $7,180. Always dreamed of owning a dump truck but ended up with a pickup. The Dumper Dog system makes that dream a reality. It elevates your truck bed by 45 degrees, looks fantastic, and can carry up to 2,721 kilograms of bulk cargo. It includes a wired remote that operates from 3 meters away, along with a removable tailgate or an optional salt spreader for winter conditions. You can expect to pay around $5,276 for this remarkable transformation. Backing up with the tailgate down can be risky. Trash bins can easily resemble toddlers on camera. The TGM 500 Tailgate Mirror attaches in seconds via 2 suction cups, no wires, no batteries, and provides the extra view your backup camera misses. It's simple, practical, and priced at only $41. Thanks to Load My Boat, transporting a hefty boat is almost effortless for one person. With just a press of the wireless remote, it lifts up to 181 kilograms into the transport position, eliminating the hassle of hauling from the water's edge, and lowers it smoothly upon arrival. It accommodates boats as long as 4.8 meters and starts at around $3,200. If you often find yourself loading heavy construction materials solo, Perrin Tools' lift and slide cart is perfect for you. It can handle up to 200 kilograms, allowing you to roll heavy loads effortlessly into your truck bed by yourself. Set to launch on Kickstarter in May with an estimated retail price of $1,400, this cart could be a real game changer for independent builders. After 2 decades of planning, Kia's Tasmin pickup has birthed the Tasmin Weekender concept, epitomizing the ultimate adventure vehicle for nature lovers. It features a roof rack, enhanced lighting, sturdy bumpers, robust 35-inch BF Goodrich tires, a winch, and an adventurous design to match. Kia will proceed to production only if public feedback is positive, so be sure to share your thoughts. The lightweight polyurethane cab rack weighs only 2.5 kilograms and requires no drilling for installation. It secures ladders or lumber atop your cab using integrated straps, making it an ideal backup or occasional rack. The X1 truck cap transforms your truck bed into a modular mobile workshop without complicated modifications. It is compatible with most pickups, has 8 access doors, and is built from durable 3.1mm marine-grade aluminum with stainless steel hardware. Optional roof rails or LED door lighting start at around $10,000. Airbeds Original converts your truck bed into a comfortable 30-centimeter thick mattress that supports up to 544 kilograms. The 241 by 161 centimeters version includes a built-in battery pump, making it perfect for post-hike naps under the stars, all for $290. Installing DV8 Spare Tire mount takes just 1.5 hours and costs $490. It adjusts between 18 centimeters and 35.5 centimeter wide, allowing you to carry tires or motorcycles conveniently. Additionally, it features Modular panels for securing shovels and jerry cans, enhancing utility. A mini office, a hunting camp, or just a cozy hangout. With Diggy's folding seats in the bed, you enjoy 13 centimeters of high-density foam comfort, strategic steel handles for easy access, and a configuration that fits either along the sides or back-to-back down the center. Thorburn's innovative modular aluminum canopy features gull-wing doors and offers a variety of bolt-on upgrades, such as shelves, ladders, spare tire mounts, and electronic add-ons, along with customizations tailored just for you. The base model starts at $5,543. The Impact Dog Crate features an innovative origami-style design that unfolds in under a minute and secures solidly in your truck bed. Weighing just 13 kilos, it's spacious enough to accommodate larger breeds such as German Pinschers or American Eskimo dogs. Priced at $670, this crate ensures your pup's comfort and safety are well worth the investment. This sliding tray drawer locks halfway extended, allowing you to easily reach heavy loads without the need to climb in. With a support capacity of 300 kilograms, it's designed specifically for pre-2012 Ford Rangers and is priced at about $955. Rossmonster has redefined pickup trucks by transforming them into cozy 4-person homes on wheels. The Baja series, built on a Ford F-350, comes equipped with a shower, a 2-burner induction stove, heating, reading lights, a lounge area, and sleeping spaces. A custom-built Rossmonster Baja will run you roughly $380,000. With a simple motion, your truck bed is transformed into a cozy retreat. A 3-person rooftop tent that can also double as a bike or board rack with a 136-kilogram capacity. Add extra accessories like showers or sunshades for the ultimate experience, available for $3,500. The multi-truck rack functions like a construction set for your truck bed, supporting up to 227 kilograms and allowing for a range of accessories, rails, toolboxes, bike mounts, starting at just $420. It's perfect for both weekend warriors and year-round professionals who often wonder why this isn't standard equipment. Electrical foreman Chris Lentz has ingeniously paired a Modular M701 jet engine with a 2005 F-150 STX, resulting in a jaw-dropping 2,700 horsepower beast that consumes 19 liters of fuel per minute. Although it's notoriously inefficient, it promises endless entertainment and will undoubtedly turn heads wherever it goes. Mighty Products Cargo Net ensures up to 378 kilograms of awkward loads stay securely in place. It features 16 D-rings and 6 heavy-duty straps with a braking strength of 1,134 kilograms, all for just $90. This dashcam footage gives you a clear, real-world look at the Alpha Series LED bulbs installed on a Peterbilt 389. These high-performance LEDs are designed to replace dim factory lights with incredible brightness and clarity. With 65 watts per bulb, smart heat management, and plug-and-play installation, they're built for serious drivers who want visibility and durability. Whether it's rain, snow, or dark highways, the Alpha Series lights cut through it all. See why they're setting a new standard in truck lighting. The load lid for the BYD Shark 6 is an aluminum tonneau cover designed to handle 400 kilograms of static and 200 kilograms of dynamic loads. Robust enough to walk on, it seals out water and features a self-draining design, making it perfect for rainy conditions. The list price is $3,744. WKSP introduces the world's first solar power system specifically designed for pickups. Its folding panels not only serve as a protective bed cover, but they also generate up to 800 watts, store 1,843 watt-hours, improve aerodynamics, resulting in 13% fuel savings, and can be installed in just 4 minutes, or removed in 2. For pricing details, be sure to contact the developers. LifeMark 100 is here to revolutionize road marking. Utilizing advanced AI and GPS technology, it memorizes and redraws road markings while saving the data for future planning, ensuring that every line is accounted for, making road maintenance a breeze with cutting-edge innovation.